I just finished this book, so I decided to make a reading journal on Kilonotes. I created a landscape notebook at first, then I chose the cute pink cover and the horizontal page. Use the pen tool and draw a line to divide the page, and make the basic information column of the book. Select the text font and create a text box to make a tag. I usually set 4 tags: name, author, time, and rank. Here are other parts. Then import the book's cover and fill out the information column. Here I use the star sticker in my materials to rate this book. For the summary part, I took a screenshot of my reading notes first. Insert the image and use the lasso tool to circle the text. Tap the Extract Text button, then put a text box and paste the text. Lastly, finish the rest part with text and flower stickers. Like and save.